My name's Ben Newman, I'm from the Super Retail Group and we own brands such as Supercheap Auto, Rebel Sport, BCF, Macpac. We're one of Australia's top 10 retailers and we're about helping our customers engage with what they love doing in their spare time. This was born out of our loss prevention team, currently known as our asset protection team, and we found that we were managing incidents in our business in a very ad hoc manner. We had a lot of manual forms for people to fill out that might have got stored on a computer locally, might have got emailed off to somebody, might not have even been completed at all, and we didn't really have any top line visibility as to what was happening with incidents in our business, and it was impacting our ability to make decisions. I think we knew we needed to move on from a manual ad hoc, system based on Excel spreadsheets and Microsoft Word document templates and things like that, because there was just no ability to centralise that information. We kind of went to the market with the aim of looking for a solution to our incident reporting and tracking problems. So we ended up looking at a number of different products that were on the market at the time, and I don't think anything really suited what we were doing as a retailer off the shelf. So what we looked to was for someone who was willing to build and develop their product, I guess, and that's where Protecht at that time stood head and shoulders above the rest. What we were looking for out of the product and what we've seen delivered is a better understanding of our business and the ability to access information that helps us to guide decisions, whether it be in terms of resource deployment from a personnel perspective, capital deployment financially, and really concentrating on where our problem areas might be and directing our solutions into that. Over time, we have got some surprises out of the data we've gathered. So we're operating in a number of different spaces with the ERM product now. We don't just use it for incidents, we've actually been able to roll it out right across our business now. Just the ability to be able to drill into a particular brand's information or even roll it up to the entire business means that we can make an informed decision and hopefully not incur unnecessary costs as a result. Information is critical now because we're making so many decisions, we're making them so rapidly. If you're not well informed, you're going to make poor decisions, and poor decisions are going to cost you money.